The mysterious central storm discovery. Deep within Jupiter's core lies a discovery that has left planetary scientists speechless. Juno's microwave radiometer penetrated 350 kilometers below the cloud tops and detected what appears to be a permanent central vortex spanning thousands of kilometers across. Unlike the Great Red Spot or other visible storms, this deep atmospheric feature shows no signs of the typical cyclonic rotation patterns found elsewhere on Jupiter. Dr. Scott Bolton, Juno's principal investigator, describes it as a hurricane frozen in time, a massive atmospheric disturbance that appears to have remained unchanged for potentially millions of years. The storm system generates electromagnetic pulses that interfere with Juno's instruments, creating data gaps that suggest something far more complex than simple atmospheric circulation. Most disturbing is the storm's perfect geometric structure. It forms concentric rings with mathematical precision that defies known meteorological processes. The central vortex appears to extend all the way down to Jupiter's metallic hydrogen core, creating a direct channel between the planet's surface storms and its deepest interior regions.